Did you know that some of the biggest threats to your organization's cybersecurity come from within? These are called insider threats. An insider threat occurs when someone within the organization, or with direct access, misuses their privileges, causing harm to the business. These insiders can be current or past employees, or even contractors. When insider threats succeed, the consequences can be devastating. Data breaches, operational disruptions, reputational damage, and significant financial losses. Intentional insider threats involve individuals who deliberately misuse their access to steal data, share information, or damage systems. Their motives can range from personal gain to revenge. On the other hand, unintentional insider threats are accidental. These occur when an employee unknowingly makes an error that compromises security, like clicking a malicious link in a phishing email. To prevent unintentional insider threats, continuous cybersecurity training is essential. Understand and follow your organization's security policies. For intentional threats, stay vigilant, report suspicious behavior, and always trust your instincts.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.